Gino back in the kitchen, just showing you a quick meal that I make. This is the only meal I ate today, so one big meal a day. If you watch my video before this, you'll know what I'm talking about.
So what do we have here? Potatoes?
Potatoes. This were leftover potatoes from yesterday. And I decided to just put some cheese and a bit of sour cream in them, just to make them more tasty and interesting. Yeah, so here I sauteed some kale and put a little bit of shrimp again, which was a leftover from yesterday, girl. Good meal.
Why are you taking every single piece of shrimp?
No. Okay.
Let's talk about this off camera.
Okay, let's talk about this. This, I don't know why you don't like it, but you should taste it. Then I have this salmon here. I'll show you next time how I did that. Very easy to make. And
wow.
Now I'm gonna have some beets. So this is my one big meal a day. I have not eaten anything. It's 5 p.m. All I did this morning was drink water. So that's my big.
What a colorful and delicious looking meal. Stunning.
Yes, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning.
Yep. No bread though today. No bread. I'm trying to stay away from bread.